If you're watching this video right now, it's probably because you're an influencer or an affiliate and you're looking for help with promo codes like me. So as you can see, this is my storefront. I have probably close to 600 reviews at this point as an Amazon influencer. And I've started over the past few months playing on the affiliate side of things and learning about promo codes. Everyone knows promo codes go on for days and days and days. So it takes forever to scroll and look and find the deals that you want. So I'm talking to my husband about promo codes and about how exhausting it is and how my eyes are aching and I'm standing here for hours and hours scrolling through these codes. And he had a suggestion for me that he could build something that would help me categorize and organize these promo codes to make my life so much easier and save me so much time. Let me show you. So Honey built me AZCoderunner, and it's basically a nice big organizational tool for promo codes. It starts by downloading the actual promo codes from Amazon. And then you'll see here, you can organize it however you wish, but just let me show you as is now. Here is the date range of the code, how many days left, how much off or percentage, the actual link to the deal, favorites, and then on this side, you can see notes where you can take notes, add your categories, and it shows the company right here. What's super cool about this is you can organize it however you want. You can change the percentage that you're looking for. You can show deals within 2 days, within 2 weeks. You can show only the things you favorited. You can even hide duplicate companies. So when you see the company over and over again and you just don't want to see it over and over again, you can take it right there. So this has been a game changer for me. It's saving me so much time. It's making it actually fun to do promo codes. What else?
That's it. I hope you enjoy it.
That's it. I hope you really love using this just like I do. Bye.